Welcome to Quest. Quest lets you design your web pages in Adobe XD or Figma. Design how you want your web page to look on different devices with different artboards. Quest supports as many artboards as you want to combine into one single web page and automatically figures out the correct breakpoints to display them on any screen size or device. Import your project into our editor and you'll see the elements here on the left panel. Use the drop-down at the top to view all your artboards you've designed. If everything is looking good to go, hit the Build button to turn it into an HTML page. This will give you a working web page you can share with anyone or use anywhere. If you want to add animation, toggle this at the bottom to bring up the timeline panel. Here you can create robust animations, add sound and music, or play other timelines. For instance, we can add an action and choose tween. We'll set an animation on from, -200x position, and a -100% opacity. Triggering timelines can come from buttons or on page load. You can set that by clicking on the top left row of the Elements panel and then clicking on the drop-down on the right side. You can add components to any of your elements from your design. Use placeholder images in your design to later replace them in Quest with video or iframe. Or set up buttons and input fields in your design and Quest can convert that box into a working component once you build the page. If you want this info at a slower pace, check this drop-down for tutorials and docs. If your font looks off when you import your design, you may need to fix it by clicking Fix in the Alert panel or choosing a new font in the Properties. Quest uses Google Fonts as other libraries such as Adobe Typekit doesn't support web licensing. But Quest lets you import any TrueType or OpenType font in the Settings panel. Quest also has version history and analytics built in, which you can get to through the account pages. We also support using your own custom domains to combine your page designs into a website. And that's it.